Welcome to ThirdEye Labs, where we make the unseen seen. In the last video, we saw a big idea. A function is just a machine that turns an input into an output. Now let us build that machine in Python, plot it, and even teach it to learn. No heavy math, just code you can run on any laptop. All you need is NumPy, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn. The full code is in the description. Let us start at the very beginning. Here is our machine. A Python function called f that takes x and returns 2x plus 1. Watch the defining property, feed in the number 3, and we always get 7. Same input, same output, every single time. And remember, f of 3 does not mean f times 3. The brackets mean apply f to 3. Now the beautiful part. Instead of one input, we hand the machine 200 inputs at once using a NumPy array and plot every output. That picture is the graph. It is simply every input-output pair drawn together. The yellow dot is our 3 goes to 7 from a moment ago. Here is where machine learning begins. Most functions have dials called parameters. For a straight line, a is the slope and b is the shift. Change the dials, and the same machine becomes a whole family of different lines. Hold on to that thought. 3 shapes will follow you through this entire series. The linear, a straight line. The quadratic, a bowl which shows up in error measures. And the exponential, explosive growth which powers probabilities. Get comfortable with these 3 faces. Functions can feed each other. Let g add 1 and let f double. Push 3 through g and we get 4. Send that 4 into f and we get 8. So f of g of 3 is 8. Stack thousands of these and you have a neural network. Now the payoff. Let us make a function that learns. Here is some noisy data that roughly follows 2x plus 1. We start with both dials at 0, a terrible guess. Then, step by step, we nudge the slope and the shift in the direction that lowers the error. This nudging is gradient descent, and we are coding it by hand. Look, after 400 tiny steps, the machine learned a slope of about 1.95 and a shift of about 0.9, almost exactly the true values. And when we check against scikit-learn's built-in tool, we get the identical numbers. We just trained a model from scratch, and the loss curve shows it learning, dropping fast and then settling. But here is the trap that catches everyone. The learning rate controls how hard we turn the dials. Set it too big, say 0.6, and watch. The loss explodes to infinity. The machine overshoots and never settles. Drop it back to a gentle 0.05 and it converges smoothly. The lesson, turn the dials gently. So today we built a function, plotted its graph, tuned its dials, composed 2 machines, and trained one to fit real data, all in a few lines of Python. That last part, tuning the dials to lower the error, is the beating heart of every model in this series. Please like and subscribe ThirdEye Labs if you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments. The full code is in the description. Next time, we decode the scary symbols, sigma, pi, and nabla, so no equation ever intimidates you again. See you there.